Fix in 5. Let's decode P0627. Fuel pump control circuit open, electrical circuit interruption prevent. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Engine will not start, engine cranks but will not turn over. Loss of fuel pressure, vehicle stalls while driving, check engine light illuminated. Now the most likely causes. Defective fuel pump relay, open or broken fuel pump control wire. Loose or corroded electrical connector at fuel pump or relay. Blown fuel pump fuse. Defective fuel pump module. Here's how a pro pins it down. Read all fault codes and freeze frame data using a profess. Clear the codes and check if P0627 returns immediately or check for battery voltage at the fuel pump and relay termi. Test the fuel pump relay for operation. Swap with a known. Inspect all wiring and connectors between the PCM and fuel. Check fuel pump function directly by applying power, if so. How to fix it. Replace fuel pump relay with OEM or equivalent unit. Repair or replace damaged fuel pump control wiring. Clean and re-secure fuel pump electrical connectors. Replace blown fuel pump fuse. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 495 models. What does it cost? Roughly €15 minus 45 doing it yourself, or Euro 39 to 69 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, can I fix P0627 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0627 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0627. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.